Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry gravy with curry powder. First, gather your ingredients: curry powder, all-purpose flour, butter or oil, and chicken or vegetable broth. Make sure you have a medium saucepan ready. Accurate measurements are key for the best results, so prepare everything before you begin cooking. This simple process will yield a delicious, rich gravy. Now, let's create the base for our gravy. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred oil in the saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture, known as a roux, turns a light golden brown. This step is crucial for thickening and flavor. Next, it's time to infuse that wonderful curry flavor. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry powder with the roux. Cook this mixture for about 30 seconds, allowing the spices to become fragrant. Then, slowly and gradually whisk in 2 cups of warm chicken or vegetable broth. This prevents lumps and ensures a smooth gravy. Finally, bring your gravy to a gentle simmer, stirring continuously to prevent sticking. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Serve your delicious homemade curry gravy hot over your favorite dishes. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.